I scored these vintage Clairol hot rollers on the Carrot app for free because they were missing the clips. So I just went and I got some replacement clips and we're gonna try these out now. These are the clips that I got and they come in 3 sizes and there's like 30 of them, which is awesome. And I just got them on Amazon. They cost, I think, $8 or $9. So steal of a deal if this is actually gonna work. I've never used hot rollers, so I'm learning as I'm going and you're right along with me. So let's see how this is gonna work out. So I figured that I should put at least some of my hair up because I have quite thick hair and I just have these 2 sections down. And I'm gonna start with the biggest rollers. Everything is super hot, by the way, so I'm a bit terrified, but we'll see. There we go, I got one and I have the biggest clip. So I'm gonna take, I'm not really sure how much hair I should put in this. Let's do like this much. And then supposedly you put it part way down and then wrap the end around. And thankfully it's not like burning hot on my fingers. And we just roll up like this and put the clip around like a giant, whatchamacallit, clip, bobby pin clip. Okay, look, it's staying, it's staying. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of my hair, including the top, and then we're gonna come back and see what's next. And here we are. I am totally rolled. I have no idea what it looks like in the back. And again, it's my first try, so I did my best. But these clips actually had some reviews saying that they didn't hold, but oh, they're super holding for me. I think it's just a matter of how tight you roll the rollers. And I did mine pretty tight, except this one here you can see is kind of hanging on, but it's still staying. So I don't know. Okay, now apparently I just got to kind of sit around and let these do their work for 20 minutes, half an hour, and then we're gonna take it out to sea. So it's been about 20-ish minutes and I think it's time to take them out. They still feel a little bit warm, but let's just take them out because I'm very curious what they're gonna look like. And, oh, bouncy, bouncy. Oh my goodness, I think that worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all the rest of these out. Wow, it definitely curled the ends. And like I said, I have very thick hair and it really doesn't like to hold a curl very well. So I'm very impressed. These are a bit of a struggle to get out. Oh, lovely. Okay, I'm gonna go take the rest of these out and then we're gonna get the final result. This is very bouncy and I would say pretty darn curly, especially on the ends. I don't know what to do now though. I'm not really sure if I should brush it, but I don't think I should brush it. So I'm just gonna run my fingers all through and see what happens. Wow, this is definitely lovely 70s, 80s hair. Oh my goodness. And it feels so soft too. I wonder if the hot rollers actually are kind of like a good little treatment to do every now and then. How fantastic does this look? I think I definitely have to go style this hair with some cool 70s refashionista clothing. Let's go do it.
So in the time that it took me to change into this awesome outfit that I upcycled and refashioned, my hair went kind of horrible and limp. So if anyone has any tips or tricks for how to keep those fabulous curls fresh and bouncy, please do let me know.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.